In today's video, we're going to be making a bracket to hold the fire extinguisher. I went ahead and made one out of cardboard to get a rough idea of what I need. I got the fine measurements done on this piece of scrap, and then I have a hole saw that fits the diameter of the fire extinguisher so that we'll be able to cut these two holes out pretty smooth. And yeah, I'll just show you the process and show you how I do it. All right, got the first hole cut out. The hole saw worked perfectly, by the way, through this thin stainless. I used a spider tarantula one. Worked very well. All that's left to do is put it on the bender and give it 2 bends in it. All right, so there it is after I put the 2 bends in it. I maybe overdid it on that one, but yeah, that came out pretty good. Let's see how the fire extinguisher fits. So that's pretty much what it's going to be looking like. I couldn't think of anything better for a quick clamp than just to put a big handle on a hose clamp. Okay, so this is how the fire extinguisher holder is going to mount to the car. I have it right in the center, and I just welded some nuts on the back of these 2 plates, and then I just tightened up the bracket, and that's pretty much just how it goes right on. Alright, so that's where it sits in the vehicle, right next to me, and it's not exactly a quick release. This is like the only way I could think of to secure it for a relatively cheap price. But, you know, if you need it, it's only a couple twists away. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can slide it out. So, pretty quick, but, you know, not like a latching style. Probably would have been a little bit quicker, but this works for the time being.